What is this called?
I felt butterflies in the stomach, feeling nervous or excited, often before a big event like a date or presentation.
What is this called?
I am on cloud 9, feeling extremely happy or blissful.
What is this called?
I wear my heart on my sleeve, to openly show my emotions.
What is this called?
I broke the ice, to start a conversation in an awkward or tense situation.
What is this called?
This is a piece of cake, something very easy to do.
What is this called?
I let the cat out of the bag, to reveal a secret often accidentally.
Master these idioms with LinkUp, the AI English conversation app. Link in bio.